Well, hello, it's Dr. Allen. Today I'm going to walk you through how to load the ChiroSecure weekly research update onto your website in your blog. It's very simple to do. Number one, you're going to get a text document, as you could see over here. And in this document, you're going to have everything you need to literally just copy and paste into your blog. So over here on the left, we're looking at the actual text document that you'll get, which will have all the details for copy and paste. And on the right here, you're looking at the ChiroSecure back end of the website where we're creating a new post. You're actually looking at a WordPress site, but if you don't have a WordPress site, it's as simple to do. So just realize it might look a little different when you're looking inside of yours. So the first thing you want to do is come over here and you're going to copy the title. So we're going to copy that title and we're going to come over here to the website and we're going to literally paste that title in. Then there you go. That'll give you the title. So now we have the title. You'll notice over here that there is both a visual tab and a text tab. Now, because we've created the HTML code for you, you're going to go back to the text document and you'll look under where it says HTML and you're going to simply copy everything at the HTML just as you see over here. So once we copy that, again, we're on the text tab as you can see here. We're simply going to paste that right in. And once you paste that in, you can come back to the visual tab and you'll see here is your video and here is the content that you want. It gives you the abstract discussion reference and also a link back to ChiroSecure. Now, if depending on your website and your page, you can select video if it shows that on yours. You could select blog, any of the categories that you want. You could add tags to it. Anything that you already do on your website, you just want to continue to do that. And if you want to add a featured image, as you see down here, that all will depend very much on the website you're using. We're going to simply save the draft. And once we save the draft, you could view the post. And there you have it. Today's weekly research blog from ChiroSecure will now have a title. There is the video. It'll be embedded on your website. And there is all the content. And literally, you're now done. Now in phase 2, I'm going to show you how to take the same video and add it to your Facebook page. You'll notice right now we're on the ChiroSecure Facebook page. And if you look over here, you're going to see create a post. You'll see the same thing on yours, and you're going to click photo video. Now it's going to ask you where the video is that you want to upload. And if we come back to this page, you'll see that right over here in the text document I sent you is a Dropbox link. If you click on that, you could download the video right to your desktop or any other folder you want, so then you could upload it right into Facebook. So I'm going to do that for you right now. So as you can see right over here, what I'm going to do is highlight the video. You've downloaded this video. I'm going to hit choose. And now you could see it's actually going to go ahead and right over here, it's starting to upload the video. Now it's saying, do you want to say something about this video? And I do. And what I want to do is come back to the text document and we're going to pick right from content. We're going to scroll down to content and we're going to simply copy the content. And we're going to click right in here and we're going to simply paste that in. Whoops. And now you could see, sorry about that, we have all the content that we want right in here. Now, we're going to go ahead. Now, the video is probably not finished yet, but that is okay. However, we're going to now click on the word post. Now it's going to create a post. You can see right over here, it's uploading the video. And I'm doing this in real time, just like you. There it goes, there it goes. Okay, it's just about done. Now, your video is now processing. We'll send you a notification when it's ready to view. While it's working on the video, I'm going to click Edit Video. It's going to load a new page in Facebook. And it's actually taking us into Creator Studio. Now, Creator Studio, if you've never used it before, it should be very simple. You just need to open it. And what happens is when you open it, you could see right over here that it's uploading still. It's not done yet, but there's the video we're uploading. And we could edit the post right over here. So I went to the three dots. I can click on Edit Post. And now you'll see it's asking us for a title. So we're going to go back to our text document. We're going to highlight the title that's in the text document that I sent you. You're going to paste it in there. Now we have a title. Now we have the entire body. Now, in addition to that, you're going to notice it says thumbnail. Now, we've also supplied you with a thumbnail. So you don't want just ChiroSecure, although we'd love you to do that, but it doesn't tell anyone what the video is about. So we're going to click on thumbnail and we're going to add an image. When we add the image, we're going to go back to the text document, and you'll notice here that I also supplied you with a thumbnail. So you're going to click on the Dropbox link and you're going to save that thumbnail to your computer, just like you did the video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and we're going to go ahead and we're going to select the thumbnail that I created for you that you've just downloaded. So what you'll do is you'll click on the right thumbnail. We'll hit choose. And now it just uploaded the thumbnail and we want to go ahead and save that. So now we have a video with a title, content, and a thumbnail. Now we're going to go back to the home page and see what that post looks like. Now, if you're inside of your Creator Studio, you can go to the post timeline, which I'm going to do right now. And there's exactly what it's going to look like. And you can see it's a ChiroSecure research update. Now, this will be living on your page. So where it says ChiroSecure Malpractice Insurance, that's only because I'm on our page, but this will be on your page. You can see all the content is in there. And if I click on ChiroSecure Malpractice Insurance, it's going to take us right to the ChiroSecure page. Now, I'm in the back end of it, which is why you see all this. But if we scroll down, we're going to get past all this stuff that's here. And now here is the post. Remember, this is going to have your page name, not ours. It's going to have a ChiroSecure research update. You're going to have all the content and you're going to have the video. And of course, you could boost the post, which we always do. We highly recommend. I'm just going to play this for a second. Not sure you'll hear it, but let's see.
A ChiroSecure research update.
And that's it. Now you have the blog on your website where your followers can go to your website, to get the content, and you now have it on your Facebook page. Great content everywhere that your followers want to get it. So this brands you. It does brand ChiroSecure, of course, and it just gives us a better working relationship that we're able to share with each other all the great content that we can supply and give you the credibility that you also like to have. This is Dr. Allen. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. You will get the text file and just save this video so that you can use it in the future. Have a great day, everybody.